Many species of animals are already extinct. They have been wiped out from the face of the earth long back. In this tutorial video, I am going to show you which are the extinct animals. Now, without further ado, let's continue. Dinosaurs were eliminated because of natural selection and their inability to adapt themselves to the changing environment. Some natural disasters also contributed in their eradication, but most of the other species have vanished because of misdeeds of man. In the past several decades, the rate of animals extinction has accelerated because of their killings, hunting, pollution, and loss of breeding place and habitat. Some of these extinct animals include the Guga, the Dodo, the moa, the passenger pigeons, the sea cows, the Tasmanian wolf, etc. Man have hunted and killed them off for food, pleasure, sport, etc. Now they are totally wiped out of existence. There was a time when the island of Tasmania was full of Tasmanian wolf, a very graceful animal with a head like a wolf, a tail like a dog, stripes like a tiger, and pouch like a kangaroo, but now they are totally extinct. Similarly, the guaga, an animal which combines some of the characteristics of the zebra and the horse, was found in South Africa in large numbers. It had stripes like a zebra only on its head and shoulders, and the rest of its body resembles a horse. This beautiful species became a victim of man's greed. They were killed indiscriminately for their skins and meat till none of them was left. Till the early 16th century, the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean near Africa was inhabited by a bird called Dodo in large numbers. Dodo has wings. They were too short for flying and they had feet too short for running. Consequently, when man appeared on the island for the first time, he found the dodo to be an easy prey. They were killed in hundreds for food and meat till none of them was left. The moa was a big bird that once inhabited New Zealand, but whole of its class became extinct long back. These are how some animals have gone into extinction. Thank you. Thank you guys. I know you have learned something today. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Like, comment, and share this video to your families and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.